Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my July Ipsy original. So check this video out. All right, so July Ipsy original. So for those of you guys who are new here, I used to do my original and my extra, or my original and my ultimate together, but now I'm separating them and I actually like that a lot better because then I can spend a little bit more time on each bag. So July Ipsy original. And the reason why I was separating them was because I actually was getting them pretty late and very like 2 weeks apart. So you know what? It works out better this way. All right, so this is what the bag looks like. Super cute, has sunglasses, and it actually definitely matches the extra one. So I can't wait to go ahead and share that with you guys. Make sure you guys are subscribed because that will be my next unboxing, is my extra one. So what do we have in here? I will say that lately, the original has been getting better and better, and there's more things that I will use. But as a little tip, what I like to do is save my little samples for my daughter to make her advent calendar towards like September, October, November. So she's got a little unboxing of her own. So, because there's a lot of things like I might not need, or just too little of a sample, and she likes to sample all that stuff. So, all right, so let's see what I got. All right, they picked out for me, and I've already used this before and I love it. So it's like a perfect, like nice little exfoliating shampoo. This is by Briogeo, their Scalp Revival. I actually really like their whole entire system. So definitely this is a nice little size. This is the travel size for $15. I don't think the other size is too bad, but this does scrub very well. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and I'm glad to share this with you guys that I've already used it before and I actually liked this. So I like their masks too, and they're not, like I said, that expensive. All right, what else did I get? All right, by Dionysus, I believe that's how you say it, Ocean Mist Goat Milk Hand Cream. This is awesome. I actually really like their hand cream. Like, a little goes a long way. So I'm actually very excited that I got another one to try. I've tried a green one and a yellow one, and it's very silky. Your skin feels so soft afterwards, so I'm actually really excited to get another one of these. That's a deluxe sample, and it's actually says the full size is $12. Not too bad. All right, what else did I get in here? All right, I got by Glowgirl Cosmetics their Plumping Lip Oil in Literally. This is a deluxe sample. The full size is $12. This is pretty big for a deluxe sample. Let's get this out of the packaging so I can go ahead and test this out for you guys, because my thing with lip oils, I'm not gonna put it on my lips because I already have some stuff on my lips. But I'm gonna put it on my, oh my goodness, it's gonna stick to me. I'm gonna put it on my hand. If it's really sticky, I don't really care for them. So let's see. It doesn't really smell like anything. Okay, and I have already feeling, yeah, this is like really sticky. So I don't know if I'm really gonna like this. It's like, it's sticky, but it's not too sticky. I don't know. We'll have to test this one out, but this is what it looks like. So, but like I said, it doesn't smell like anything. All right, and then I got by, what is it? Seraphine Botanicals Power Curl Mascara in Jet Black. And I actually have not gotten mascara in quite a bit. And this is actually the full size for $29. So let's open up this one. If I can open it. Oh my goodness, we're gonna have like opening issues today. There's always something on this channel, guys, always something, but I'd rather open and do this on camera with you guys so you guys know like I'm not faking it, because I would rather share with you guys like my thoughts and reactions right away rather than, you know, being fake, because on this channel we are real. So nothing like a little chit chat going on over here. All right, I got a little something going on. Let's see if we can, oh, white wrapping, interesting. All right, there we go, as it like curls all the way around. Let's see, and it sticks to me. The packaging, it's really cute. I really like the packaging. There we go. We'll stay up really close so you guys can see what this looks like. Oh, I actually like the brush a lot. and it's very, very silky coming out. So I'm hoping that this mascara is a good mascara. So, and then last but not least, what I picked by e.l.f. Skin. This is their Clarify Facial Oil, and I've actually had this before, so when I'm kind of running low on oil, so I was like, oh, I'll go ahead and I will use it. Let's see, it shows, very interesting, before and after. It says dry combination oil sensitive acne prone. I don't really have acne skin, but that's what they're showing for the before and after. That guy's nose is huge. It's really funny. But yeah, so this is, I don't know, maybe I haven't tried this one yet. It's an aloe extract, but it's an acne treatment. So you know what? This one actually might not be for me. It actually might be for my daughter. And of course, I'm blurring again. This is what it looks like over here. This one says apply the oil 2 minutes before applying moisturizer, so it can get into your pores. So, see how this is. I didn't realize it was an acne one. Oh, wow. It's actually really nice though. Very, it's not oily at all. That's what I like about oils. When oils are not oily, I definitely like that route. Very nice in the skin. It absorbed like right away, and it's very silky. So, it doesn't really smell like anything either. So I don't know, I might keep it. I don't think I'll give it to my daughter, because sometimes like randomly once in a while, like I'll get like a random pimple. It's really weird. So, but maybe, you know, using that will just prevent anything from coming up. So, all right, so that is my Ipsy Original. Let me know in the comments below what you guys got in your Ipsy Original. I would have to say that my favorite, well, I'm actually really excited to try that mascara. And like I said, I got really good products this time. You know, the Scalp Revival Exfoliating Shampoo, like that's a really good exfoliator. The hand cream's really good. I'm just really excited to try the mascara. So, but like I said, that is actually it for this video. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I make specialty videos like these on Saturdays. We actually weekly vlog Monday through Thursday. We weekend vlog Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and that gets posted on Tuesdays and Thursdays. We would love to have you guys as part of our YouTube family. But like I said, with the Saturday videos, I do special videos like this where I sit down and talk to you guys, you know, just, you know, talk about products and stuff like that. Next, I will be doing my Ipsy Extra, because it is coming, but I want to go ahead and post this one because July is coming, you know, to a close, and I want you guys to see it before, you know, July is over. And then also down below is Bella Bean's channel. Make sure you guys subscribe to her channel as well. We do fun, crazy things over there as a family. And then also Mason's channel is coming out soon, guys, so I will let you know when his comes out. Otherwise, it'll be linked down below. And then also down below is my TikTok, my Instagram, my LTK. Make sure you guys are following me along on all social media platforms, because I do different things on social media platforms. So it's not always the same just on YouTube. And then I will see you guys in my next one.